Kumusta po kayo lahat mga kababayan? Ako po si Art Bonhoc Jr. and welcome to our Team Breakthrough Financial Freedom, Time Freedom for Everyone. It's an honor to introduce to you our presenter for our Zoom meeting today, Engineer Joel Ramirez. Isang PhilAmp po who is based in the US. He will share to us this amazing investment program of a phenomenal American company, the BG Wealth Sharing. Let's welcome him.
This is Joel Ramirez, and welcome to a BG presentation. But before I do that, let me just read with you the disclaimer. Please note that this presentation does not constitute financial advice in any form. Our goal is to provide information, educate, and help you make the proper assessment and informed decision for yourself should you choose to invest with BG Wealth Sharing. Magandang araw po sa inyo. Kaya dalawang kumpanya pong pag-uusapan natin, BG Wealth Sharing and DSJ Exchange. Okay? With the objective of helping people earn consistently in the crypto market. So sila hong dalawang kumpanya ito, magkaibang company. Kaya ang founder ng BG Wealth Sharing is no other than Professor Dr. Stephen Beard at si Mr. Joseph Smith naman ang founder ng DSJ Exchange. Okay, si Professor Stephen Beard, okay, ay naglikha ng isang company na kung saan the objective is to alleviate poverty. Okay? Now, paano niya gagawin yon? Kinakailangan ay mayroong isang mekanismo na para siyempre pagkakitaan o kumita ng pera, okay, legitimately at nakita nga po niya at nagkausap sila ng DSJ Exchange. Okay, at noong August 2022, sila po ay nagkasundo na magkaroon ng tinatawag na strategic partnership that will last for 10 years. And this will of course last until July of 2032. Okay? Like what I have said, this partnership is very strategic na kung saan ang DSJ Exchange okay, ang prime mover kung paano po tayo kikita sa BG. Now, ano ang magic dito? Katulad ng sinabi ni Einstein, the magic here is the 8 wonders of the world, yung tinatawag nating compound interest. Okay? Sabi nga niya, he who understands it, earns it, and he who doesn't, pays it. Now, ano ibig sabihin ng compound interest and how does it work? Okay? Compound interest is when the interest you earn o yung kinita ninyo is reinvested, thus earning even more interest. With compound interest, you do not just earn interest on your initial principal, but also on the interest earned on it. Yung interest, kumikita ka pa ng another interest doon. Okay? You just have to reinvest the interest back into your principal balance. Now, dito, bigyan ko kayo ng illustration. Yung simple interest, katulad sa bangko, halimbawa 2%, 3% every month, okay? Straight line lang yan. Kaya ang compound interest ho, kaya padagdag ng padagdag, kaya palaki ng palaki yung atin hong principal amount kasi dinadagdag mo yung interest. Alright? So, with that said, okay, dito Joel, paano kayo nagtitrade dyan? Trader ka ba? No. Okay? Dito, what we do is we have an AI or artificial intelligence that does the trading for us. Ang ginagawa lang natin is we just have to invest our money and then copy the code and then paste it sa ating platform sa DSJ Exchange and then let the AI does its work. All right? Now, dito ho, ang objective natin is actually to earn higher and of course, stable return. Dito ho, although it is not a requirement, okay? But we encourage everybody to create a team and share this particular opportunity or platform sa ibang tao. Kung may maganda ka nakita, i-share mo. Okay? So, again, this is not a requirement for you to earn your money here and profit, but of course, it will help you accelerate, okay, your what we call wealth creation. Now, BG is a complete system. We have the ecosystem. Okay? We have experienced traders and vision to create thriving, okay, business and opportunity for everybody. Now, dito ho, sa DSJ, we also believe yung tinatawag na win-win tripartite structure. Ang unang panalo dito, walang iba kundi ikaw at ako. The investors enjoy, take note, consistent daily gains, araw-araw. Kaya ho lahat ng tao rito masaya kasi araw-araw kumikita tayo ng profit with expert trading points with a precision rate of 99.6%. Yan ho yung ating success rate. Okay? Hindi 100% but 99.6%. Very close sa 100%. Ang pangalawang panalo rito, si Professor Stephen Beard. Bakit to? Siyempre, siya yung founder. At the same time, nagpo-provide siya ng tinatawag na trading signal or yung code na kung saan ang trabaho natin, kopyahin yon at tapos i-paste and then of course, we will earn a profit after few minutes. Next is DSJ Exchange. Ang DSJ Exchange, ito yung platform na kung saan, okay, siya ho ang pinaglalagakan natin ng ating investment, siya naman yung nagtitrade, okay, with our AI at saka yung ating mga expert traders. The more people that, does the trading, mas malaki yung kinikita niya, which we like. Kasi kapag kumikita sila, of course, mas maganda ang takbo ng ating business. Ngayon dito, meron na tayong natawag na compliance. Ang DSJ, ang BG is 100% compliant and legal, particularly here in the United States. Pero ang DSJ holds many licenses and registrations in more than 30 countries, including United Kingdom, FCA, para itong SEC dito sa Amerika. Australian ASIC license, same thing. Monetary Authority of Singapore or MAS license. The Dubai Financial Services Authority or DFSA license. The Central Bank of the Bahamas license. And we're also registered on the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network or FinCEN. Lahat ng gumagawa ng negosyo dito sa Amerika na kung saan ang negosyo nila ay tungkol sa pera, okay? Dapat ay nakaregister ka dito sa tinatawag nating agency ng gobyerno na FinCEN. And karagdagan pa dyan, last July, DSJ received a US SEC license, adding another layer of security and confidence. Now, dito inaalis nila yung sakit ng ulo natin at saka yung ating agam-agam. Alright, bakit po? Pakinggan nyo. The BG Fund Company, okay, was established in 2024. Ang BG Fund Company po, okay, is a wholly owned subsidiary of BG Wealth Sharing, where the initial capital is how much? 30 million pounds in escrow. Parang in trust, ibig sabihin. Ensuring the safety of all members' funds. That's why, kung sakasakali yung matalo yung inyong investment, which is hindi naman nangyayari for the past almost 4 years now, okay, meron tayong 30 million pounds na pampalit, okay, para na sa ganon, yung talo mo ay mababawi mo. So in other words, no risk at all, if you will just, okay, understand what I'm saying. Now, dito sa BG Wealth Sharing Investment, dito sa Amerika, we officially passed the formal approval of the US government last April and obtained legal license certification with a capital injection of $70 million. So, dito po, okay, ang BG is a well-financed business. Alright? At hindi lang yon, ito ay hindi ito short-term, long-term. Bakit po? Katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, ang BG at saka ang DSJ Exchange sealed a powerful 10-year partnership. Okay, that will last of course hanggang July of 2032. So, ayan po yung kanilang agreement na pinapakita ko dito sa inyo. Alright? Now, marami nagsasabi scam. Okay? Scam yan, scam to, etc. Now, minsan yung mga nagsasabi gano'n, tanongin nyo sila, bakit naging scam? Na-check nyo ba yung BG, DSA, credentials using US government website? Huwag ko kayo magtatanong sa Google, sa ChatGPT because okay, hindi po kami nag-register doon. Ang BG hindi nag-register sa ChatGPT o kaya sa Google. Okay? So, kung titingnan ho natin ang government website, dapat yan nagtatapos sa .gov. Alright? Now, bigyan ko ho kayo ng ilang information dito. Kaya nga ho, importante yung nag-check kayo. Alright? Now, nagpunta na ba sila sa sec.gov? Okay? How about sa fincen.gov? How about sa Secretary of State, sa State of Colorado? Okay? Kasi ho, dyan ang ating headquarters. Now, how about sa advisorinfo.sec.gov? Kasi po, registered tayo dyan as an investment advisor as well. How about IRS o BIR, equivalent sa Pilipinas? Okay? So, ito ho yung mga government agency, nakaregister tayo dito. Dahil kung hindi ka rehistrado rito, hindi ka pwede gumawa ng business dito sa Amerika. And besides that, okay, kung papansinin po ninyo, napaka-importante ho na itong mga ito ay chine-check ninyo. At lahat na ipinipresent ko sa inyo, at ipipresent ko pang mga dokumento at nasa website natin, lahat po ay verifiable. That's why we're so confident, okay, dito sa US and in other countries because we are what? Legal and fully compliant. Now, dalawang paraan dito para kumita. Okay? Pag-usapan po natin ito. Number one, yung tinatawag nating daily trading profit. Ang gagawin lang po natin, napakasimple. Okay? Just follow the 2 daily signals o yung code na tinatawag. Place the trades and earn up to 1.3% daily. Dito ho pumapasok yung tinatawag nating compound interest. Okay? Simpleng-simple, kakopyahin mo yung code sa umaga, okay? At ipipaste mo sa ating DSJ platform. Sa hapon, ganun din. Alright? And you will earn 1.3% every day. Okay? Kasi ho dito, ang itinitrade lang, for example, so nag-invest ka ng $1,000, ang itinitrade lang doon, 1% of your money. Okay? Kasi very conservative tayo at ikaw ang humahawak ng pera mo. Okay? You have a total 100% control of your money. So, dito araw-araw, that's why I said, every day, we are getting profit and therefore, when we're getting profit, ina-add yan sa principal, lumalaki ng lumalaki every single day. Now, kung gusto nyo naman halimbawa pong mas bumilis, ma-accelerate yung inyong pag-create ng wealth, alright, share the opportunity with other people and build your team. Because by doing such, you'll be unlocking powerful bonuses, additional trading signals, and a lot more. Let me explain this, okay? Now, dito makikita nyo yung chart. Halimbawa po, kayo ang referrer ko, ikaw ang nag-refer sa akin. At ako ay nag-invest ng $500. Okay? Ikaw na nag-introduce sa akin, you will get 5% referral bonus or $25. Ako na nag-invest, okay, wala pa akong ginawa, I will also earn $25 as a reward. Okay? So therefore, my money, wala pa akong ginagawa, is 525 na. How about 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, or any amount in between? Kapag halimbawa ako'y nag-invest ng 1,000, ikaw ngayon, 10% na. Okay, kung mapapansin ninyo, lahat yan 10%. Okay? Ako naman, makakakuha naman ako ng 5% as a reward. Kaya dito po, instead na 1,000 lang ako magsisimula, 1,050 na. Wala pa akong ginawa, nag-invest pa lang ako, binigyan na kaagad ako ng reward na $50. At hindi ko natatapos dyan. Okay? Kung papasan ninyo dito sa kaliwa, nakalagay dito, new investor. Ako yon halimbawa, bibigyan ako ng 6 na bonus signal. Okay? Itong bonus signal na ito, walang code ito. At bawat signal niyan, nagkakahalaga ng 1% ng total investment ko. Halimbawa po, nag-invest ako ng 1,000, ang 1% niyan is $10. So sa madaling sabi, kada signal or code na matatanggap ko, okay, libre ho ito, regalo ito. Nagkakahalaga siya ng $10. 6 yan. So $60. Meron pa akong 50 kanina. So ang total niyan is 110 right away. Okay? Now, ikaw naman na nag-refer sa akin, you'll be getting either 12 or 16 bonus signals. Again, like what I have mentioned, kada signal niyan is $10. Alright? Again, walang code yan. Pinipindot lang yan doon sa iyong back office. Alright? At yan ituturo sa iyo nung nag-refer sa iyo. Alright? Now, since nagsishare ka na, okay, sa maraming tao, okay, meron ka ngayong opportunity to grow your team and earn more bonuses, promotions, and even salary. Yes, meron kaming sweldo rito kahit hindi tayo empleyado. Pakinggan po ninyo. Okay? Halimbawa po katulad nito. Alright? Nag-sponsor ka o nag-refer ka ng 5 tao. Okay? Kapag nagkaganon, ang tawag sa iyo is level 1 manager. As such, meron kang $100 na reward one time at every 10 days, meron kang $30. 10 days kada 9 ng buwan, at 19 ng buwan, at saka 29 ng buwan. Alright? Now, kapag naman yung out of 5, merong dalawa dyan na naging manager. Paano maging manager? Magre-refer din sila ng 5. Okay? Whether 500, 1,000, etc. Kung magkano man yung amount na yon, magiging level 2 manager ka. Pero ang total ng team mo hanggang infinity is 25 members. Okay? Mula sa iyo down, okay? Magiging level 2 manager ka. Okay? As such, you will be getting one time $300 at $150 every 10 days. Kapag naman, nadagdagan ng isa yan at naging 3, yung direct mo. Okay? With a total of 125, ang tawag sa iyo level 3 manager. One time na $800, every 10 days, meron ka namang $500. Alright? Now, similarly with 4, okay, level 4, kailangan mo 4 na direct. Okay, meron ka ritong $2,000 one time, 1,200 every 10 days. Level 5, 5 naman ang direct manager mo, meron kang 5,000 dito, one-time reward, and $2,400 every 10 days. Level 6, okay, 6 naman ang direct manager mo, meron kang 12,000 one time, okay, and $5,000 every 10 days. Level 7, meron kang 25,000 one time reward, at saka $10,000 every 10 days. So, ang total lang sa reward yan, if you will notice, is 45,200. Kapag naging level 7 ka, the company will also give you a gift, okay, of car worth 50 to 300,000 of your choice. Yes, 50,000 to 300,000 dollars na sasakyan, bahala kang mamili. At saka meron ka pang shares of stocks na ibibigay sa iyo ang company para hindi ka lang investor, kung hindi, isa ka na rin sa magiging may-ari nito. Alright? Now, pakinggan po ninyo ito. Okay, let me just show you an example of compounding. For example, nag-invest ka ng 500, okay, at 1.3%. Alright? Meron kang, sa loob ng isang taon, for example, wala kang ni-refer kahit isa, alright? Meron ka ritong aabutin niya ng 55,772. Ano ginagawa mo? Na kumokopya ka lang ng code at ipinipaste mo sa DSJ, that's it. Now, how about kung investment mo naman is $1,000 at 1.3% for 1 year? Okay? Magiging 111,544 yan. And this is our recommendation. This is my personal recommendation. Pag 60 days o in 2 months, madodoble yung pera nyo. Withdrawin nyo na yung inyong kapital. Okay? After 60 days, withdraw your capital and you still have, let's say, $500 or $1,000 remaining. And play with the house money, so to speak. Okay? Para na sa ganon, okay? Wala ka ng risk. Wala ka ng sakit ng ulo. Alright? Kasi nabawi mo na yung puhunan mo. Yan po ang aming recommendation. Bagamat yung iba ayaw gawin yan, kasi nga siyempre gusto nila mas malaki, but that is my personal recommendation to you. How about 2,000? In 1 year at 1.3%, $223,088 yan. How about yung 5,000, for example, at 1.3%, okay, without any referral, okay, $557,721. Ngayon, kung may referral ka, paano? Mas mabilis yan. Okay? It is faster to you realize yung 557,000 na yan instead of 1 year. Bakit po? Because what we do is yung kinikita namin na referral bonus at saka even yung salary idinadagdag. Kaya namin doon sa trade, kaya account namin. Kaya ngayon, lumalaki yung trade account mo. Siyempre, mas malaking trade account mo, mas malaki yung interest mo, mas mabilis ang acceleration ng paglaki ng iyong investment. Alright? Now, dito ho, ito example. Okay? At 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, at 18 months. If you'll notice, ang 1,000, pagdating ng pangalawang buwan, 2,170 na yan. In 6 months, 10,225 yan. In 1 year, 111,544. Pero pag pinaabot mo pa yan ng 18 months, more than $1.1 million, etc. Alright? Kasi ho yan ay compounding. Now, dito, itong ginagawa namin twice a day. Okay? We just have to copy the code sa bond chat and then we tap number 1, futures. Okay? I-tap mo rin number 2, yung invited me. Okay? Pangatlo, i-paste mo dito yung code na kinopya mo. And then, confirm. You're done. Tapos na po. Now, kung gusto mong malaman kung pumasok yung order mo, okay, top position order at pag nakakita ka ng salitang pending, ibig sabihin nun, successful yung iyong trade. That's it. It will only last pag 5 seconds or even less. How about, Joel, yung tinatawag na gift o bonus signal o regalo? Okay? May specific time ho ito lahat, if you will notice. Okay? Hindi ka dito nakatingin sa computer maghapon, no. Okay? Ito yung back office niyo, kung papansin niyo, almost similar. Okay? I-tap mo rin dyan yung futures, number 1, number 2, again, invited me. Okay, yung pangatlo naman ito. Okay, i-tap mo yung confirm to follow order and then click mo yung done okay. Tapos na. Okay, so kumita ka na dyan. Now, dito ho, gusto mong mag-register, paano? Okay, yung nag-sponsor sa iyo o yung nag-refer sa iyo rito, meron siyang registration link. You register right away. And in registration, you only need 2 things. Number 1 is your phone number or email. Pangalawa yung password. Okay? Now, after you register, we just have to fund your DSJ trade account and then we have to download yung tinatawag nating Bonchat official messaging site where we get our code and paste it to DSJ. Alright? So napakasimple po nito. Kaya naman, kung ako sa inyo, okay, you just have to grab this opportunity. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ito. Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, a well-known investor and billionaire, if you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. How about Steve Jobs, founder of Apple? Ang sabi niya, you better shift your mindset. When you spend money, it's gone. But when you invest money, it grows. Dito po sa BG, ang pera ho natin dito lumalago, lumalaki because of the compounding after we do the trading. Alright? So, do not procrastinate. Okay? Kontakin nyo na ho, kausapin yung tao nag-present ito sa inyo. Okay? And start building long-term financial wealth. Salamat po sa inyong pakikinig.
Wow! Maraming salamat po, Sir Joel Ramirez. Mga kababayan, kung interesado po kayo to invest with BG Wealth, here's my WhatsApp. Message me and let's do this together because your breakthrough has come. Salamat po and God bless you all.